Here's the before and after. This is my Honda CRX. As you can see, it's missing the side trim molding, or whatever you want to call it. These parts are getting hard to find, so I've decided to make them myself. And what you need to do if you want to do this yourself is to buy some chrome trim. Now, you don't keep it chrome. Well, you can if you want, whatever floats your boat. But it is Cowles Custom Chrome Trim. Now, this is what the package looks like, except this is the 1-inch size. You need to get the 1-inch and 3/8 size. So you will need 2 packages of 1 3/8 inch Cowles Chrome. The reason you will be going with 1 3/8 inch is because that is about the size of the factory trim pieces. As you can see, it lines up pretty close. The best way I've found to do this is to take a manageable size of the trim, put it on the body where it's going to go, press it up to this body line, then take a Sharpie and draw a line on the body line along this fender well on the back of the trim piece. So that's what you'll end up with, that line. And so I'm going to cut along that piece, along that line I mean. And so there's about how it's going to look. Now you will do that for the same on the other side. Then after that, what you do is you sand this piece off. If you don't want to keep it chrome and you want to go flat black like me, you sand this piece. I used 600 grit sandpaper. After sanding the trim piece, make sure you remove all the dust and debris off of it and prep it for paint. I personally used Rust-Oleum paint and primer all in one, flat black. That's what I used. Make sure the body surface area is clean before you apply the trim. When you're ready, peel the adhesive backing off. Line it up. Apply some pressure to secure the piece to the body. The piece on the door requires a little more finesse. Make sure it's clean. And then don't pull the adhesive completely off. Just start it. Once you've started taking the adhesive backing off, bring it down through the bottom and just leave it hanging there. You're going to put the trim piece on a little bit at a time. So you put one section on, press it down, pull the adhesive out a little more, press it down, and so on and so forth. And there you go. EF side trim for under 40 bucks. As a bonus tip, if you're missing the trim piece around the rear quarter window, you can do like me and take some of this Cowles truck SUV edge trim and put it in there.